Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is about Top 10 Cryptocurrencies to Invest in 2022. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to Dogecoin and Tether, there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies, which can make it overwhelming when you're first getting started in the world of crypto. To help you get your bearings, these are the top 10 cryptocurrencies based on their market capitalization, or the total value of all of the coins currently in circulation. What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that are based on a network. This network is distributed across many devices on a global scale, and as a result, it is decentralized. The decentralized structure of the network has given it the ability to exist outside any control from central authorities. There are many cryptocurrencies out there, which have their technologies and improvements, and today we will be going over some hidden gems and discussing a total of 10 interesting coins. Many of these coins were developed to be Bitcoin's competitor. They are also known as altcoins. This is why online, you might read Ripple versus Ethereum comparisons on many cryptocurrency list options that you will find. However, you must do some research to compare your options. For instance, you may go over the cryptocurrency market capitalization, the cryptocurrency cap, the crypto market in general, the Bitcoin market, Bitcoin stocks, coins, Bitcoin's market cap. You may also choose to look over hot coin options, BTC to ETH comparisons, and conduct a cryptocurrency market cap analysis. All this research will give you a better idea of which options work best for you. Number 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Market cap, over $730 billion. Created in 2009 by someone under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin, BTC, is the original cryptocurrency. As with most cryptocurrencies, BTC runs on a blockchain, or a ledger logging transactions distributed across a network of thousands of computers. Because additions to the distributed ledgers must be verified by solving a cryptographic puzzle, a process called proof of work, Bitcoin is kept secure and safe from fraudsters. Bitcoin's price has skyrocketed as it's become a household name. In May 2016, you could buy a Bitcoin for about $500. As of February 1, 2022, a single Bitcoin's price was over $38,000. That's growth of about 7,600%. Miners contribute computing power through the proof of work (POW) consensus mechanism to facilitate transactions on the network. As a reward for doing so, they receive BTC tokens through solving complex cryptographic puzzles. Number 2. Ethereum, ETH. Market cap, over $327 billion. Both a cryptocurrency and a blockchain platform, Ethereum is a favorite of program developers because of its potential applications, like so-called smart contracts that automatically execute when conditions are met, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Ethereum has also experienced tremendous growth. From April 2016 to February 2022, its price went from about $11 to over $2,700, increasing nearly 25,000%. Suppose you are curious about Ethereum's future and are asking yourself if you should buy Ethereum. Well, Ethereum is a blockchain that secures digital ledgers to be publicly created and maintained. It is a community-run technology that powers the cryptocurrency Ether, ETH, and decentralized applications. Number 3. Tether, USDT. Market cap, over $78 billion. Unlike some other forms of cryptocurrency, Tether is a stablecoin, meaning it's backed by fiat currencies like US dollars and the euro, and hypothetically keeps a value equal to one of those denominations. In theory, this means Tether's value is supposed to be more consistent than other cryptocurrencies, and it's favored by investors who are wary of the extreme volatility of other coins. Number 4. Binance Coin, BNB. Market cap, over $63 billion. The Binance Coin is a form of cryptocurrency that you can use to trade and pay fees on Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. Since its launch in 2017, Binance Coin has expanded past merely facilitating trades on Binance's exchange platform. Now, it can be used for trading, payment processing, or even booking travel arrangements. It can also be traded or exchanged for other forms of cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. Its price in 2017 was just 10 cents. By February 1, 2022, it had risen to around $377, a gain of approximately 377,000%. Number 5. USD Coin. Market cap, over $50 billion. Like Tether, USD Coin, USDC, is a stablecoin, meaning it's backed by US dollars and aims for a 1 US dollar to 1 USDC ratio. USDC is powered by Ethereum, and you can use USD Coin to complete global transactions. Number 6. Cardano, ADA. Market cap, over $35 billion. Somewhat later to the crypto scene, Cardano is notable for its early embrace of proof-of-stake validation. This method expedites transaction time and decreases energy usage and environmental impact by removing the competitive, problem-solving aspect of transaction verification present in platforms like Bitcoin. Cardano also works like Ethereum to enable smart contracts and decentralized applications, which are powered by ADA, its native coin. Cardano's ADA token has had relatively modest growth compared to other major crypto coins. In 2017, ADA's price was 2 cents. As of February 1, 2022, its price was at $1.05. This is an increase of 5,150%. Cardano is not minted, but validators are chosen by the network depending on how many ADA tokens they have. If they are selected to validate the transactions on the block, they place a bet on how confident they are of verifying the transactions. When the blockchain verifies a validator block, they win the bet and gain ADA tokens as a reward. Number 7. Solana, SOL. Market cap, over $33.5 billion. Developed to help power decentralized finance, DeFi uses decentralized apps, dApps, and smart contracts. Solana runs on a unique hybrid proof-of-stake and proof-of-history mechanisms that help it process transactions quickly and securely. SOL, Solana's native token, powers the platform. When it launched in 2020, SOL's price started at 77 cents. By February 1, 2022, its price was around $100, a gain of almost 13,000%. Solana operates on a decentralized network of computers using a blockchain digital ledger. This is a database that manages and tracks the currency and records every transaction made in it. Number 8. XRP. Market cap, over $29 billion. Created by some of the same founders as Ripple, a digital technology and payment processing company, XRP can be used on that network to facilitate exchanges of different currency types, including fiat currencies and other major cryptocurrencies. At the beginning of 2017, the price of XRP was $0.006. As of February 1, 2022, its price reached 62 cents, equal to a rise of more than 10,000%. Ripple uses a consensus mechanism, however, it uses a group of bank-owned servers to confirm transactions. Number 9. Terra, Luna. Market cap, over $21 billion. Terra is a blockchain payment platform for stablecoins that relies on keeping a balance between two types of cryptocurrencies. Terra-backed stablecoins, such as Terra USD, are tied to the value of physical currencies. Their counterweight, Luna, powers the Terra platform and is used to mint more Terra stablecoins. Terra stablecoins and Luna work in concert according to supply and demand. When a stablecoin's price rises above its tied currency's value, users are incentivized to burn their Luna to create more of that Terra stablecoin. Likewise, when its value falls compared to its base currency, this encourages users to burn their Terra stablecoins to mint more Luna. As adoption of the Terra platforms grows, so too does the value of Luna. From January 3, 2021, when its price was 64 cents, Luna has risen almost 8,000% to $51.39 just over a year later. Number 10. Polkadot, DOT. Market cap, over $19 billion. Cryptocurrencies may use any number of blockchains. Polkadot, and its namesake crypto, aims to integrate them by creating a cryptocurrency network that connects the various blockchains so they can work together. This integration may change how cryptocurrencies are managed and has spurred impressive growth since Polkadot's launch in 2020. Between September 2020 and February 1, 2022, its price grew about 565%, from $2.93 to $19.49. Polkadot has three types of blockchains: the relay chain, the main Polkadot blockchain, parachains, which are custom blockchains that use the relay chain's computing resource to confirm that transactions are valid, and bridges, which allow the Polkadot network to interact with other blockchains. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.